Hello! As I was finishing up the last minute details to my room, I realized that I didn't actually have like an intro to this video. So here I am, like doing an intro. But my room is done. You can't really see much. You can see my like plants here, but you can't really see much else. Essentially, one of the main reasons I decided to remodel or redo my room is because last semester when all classes moved to online, I was mostly doing my work and my classes on my bed or like on my kitchen dining table, and honestly those two places, they weren't ideal. I had trouble focusing. Obviously when I'm on my bed I don't really want to study. I decided to make my room more of a study appropriate area as well as just a comfortable area for me to be in, since I'm going to be spending so much time in here anyways. If there's anything that I'm like unsatisfied with the ending result, is the fact that I wanted more plants. Like, I was this close to making my room a greenhouse, but my parents were like, no, like you need to stop. So I stopped. Moving things around, figuring out what I liked, what I didn't, that was really fun and actually made me more excited for the school year. So yeah, the rest of the video is gonna play now. There really isn't anything super special about it. I just have my basic necessities, like the nightstand, a little bookshelf thing going on right there, my bed, and then all of this is empty, and then like my closet, which is a huge mess. I just finished putting this clothing rack together. I decided to like lean it up against the wall just because I kind of liked the way it looked next to the mirror a little bit more than in the middle. On to the two harder ones. This bookshelf is going to be really hard. Ta-da! She's done. Oh my gosh, finally. Building this one wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be, but the bookshelf I decided is gonna go over there. She's gonna stay right here. All my plants are right there. I did this whole thing only to realize I've been doing it wrong. This is what it's looking like so far. I still need to add the shelves and I need to secure it or anchor it to the wall. My hands are so incredibly sore from building this. All three of these plants are from one of my favorite plant stores in San Jose called Leafy. And I got this one, and then I got both of these, which she told me were going to be the easiest because these are kind of like succulents, this one right here. And then I got this one right here, which I already have one of these. It's over there, but this one is slightly bigger. All these plants are a mixture of Leafy or Home Depot, but the pink one right here, which I really like, is Home Depot. I also have this one, which I decided to place by my mirror. This one, which you saw me earlier, I decided to place here by this little rack that I have going on. I decided this one would be best by the bookshelf, or on the bookshelf. I also have these Like, looking around my room, the only thing that I have left to do is hang up a couple posters and art prints that I got from Etsy, but I think I'm gonna leave that for the very last moment, just because I have, I think, 3 more art prints that I ordered online which still haven't arrived. So I'm gonna wait for those to come, and then I can like settle my whole wall thing. In the meantime, like, I know I bought a shit ton of plants last week, but I'm not really satisfied. I feel like I could use a good 6 more, which is not realistic. I'm not gonna get 6 more plants. I want 3 more plants, but I'll settle for 2. Like, I'll be satisfied if I get 2 more plants. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I just felt like I should update you guys. She's the one I truly want, but I'm too broke. I just got my art prints. I got this one, Spirited Away. And then I got this one. Look how pretty this is. And this one. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I keep all of my textbooks and books on this little shelf thing, my desk. I will eventually be adding more art prints. These are just all the prints that I had currently on hand and that I could afford. These are some of the postcards I got when I was in Korea. Some of my art, stickers. My college roommate gave me this one. Thank you, Olivia. And then that's my art, and these are all prints that I was able to get from Etsy. So this is definitely my study area. This little shelf thing from IKEA. The desk is from Walmart. This bookshelf is from IKEA. I got this chair from, I'm pretty sure, Walmart as well. This is like my reading area. The mirror is from Home Goods. The clothing rack is from IKEA, and I am back for the outro. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, maybe, or just enjoyable to watch at least. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!